What a great day. I mean, look at it. This is such a beautiful place, and it has such a rich history. It has a history of the people who came before us. It has the more recent history of those who are on this stage or represent the people on this stage, those of you in the audience who came together and worked, as we heard, for decades to build this project and to supply water. So I want to thank everyone involved for all of their hard work to develop a plan to open this beautiful place to recreation to others. This ceremony celebrates the collaboration of hard work between numerous stakeholders and partners to make recreation at Lake Nighthorse a reality. This lake is a crucial part of the Animas La Plata project. It provides important water storage to help fulfill the water rights settlements of the Ute Mountain Ute and the Southern Ute tribes here in southwestern Colorado. And opening the reservoir for recreation adds to the already diverse recreational opportunities in the Durango area, opportunities that attract visitors through each season of the year. My boss, Secretary of the Interior Ryan Zinke, has made it a top priority to open our public lands while also protecting our important resources. And I think that's thanks to the collaboration of many of you. I think that's what we're doing here today. So to balance recreational opportunities with protecting those resources means we've also defined recreational parameters. To protect cultural resources in this area, recreation is only allowed in developed areas and 25 feet above the high water level around the reservoir. This is sacred land. Its history is America's history. And I hope everyone who visits here will feel that sacred connection and respect. Congratulations to everyone who's worked so hard to make this a reality. Through countless hours and many years, you've all come together. This is so many communities coming together to make something happen. Congratulations to all of you. It's an amazing job, well done. Thank you very much.